Right. Hola bafethu, this is Stosh all the way from PSL Pulse, Premier Soccer League Pulse bafethu. It runs in our veins. Ke tshwere Benson, game ya fana go ibone jwang fethu.
Mnganam, we are cruising so well.
We are cruising so
Singena
ngevosho.
ngevosho mnganam. Uyabona ngiphethe nekhabishi manje. We want to show you how to eat these small teams.
So ngicela ungitshele le khabishi ubani le khabishi? Is it
Le khabishi ile team lezo basidlala nayo iLioli le.
Lioli le?
Sidla kanje.
Lioli, this is you. Lioli, this is you.
Sidla kanje.
Wina kanjani? Lioli, this is you.
iLioli sidla kanje.
Lioli udliwe kanje mfowethu.
So this year siya ku final. Siya ku final iStars S2. Siyaloada.
So
noma kanjani?
ngicela ungitshele nge-starting lineup saka coach today. There were a bit of changes here and there. We saw Undaba being introduced side in Lagahoto, and also we saw the likes of Abo on the striker. There was no Mabasa, but there was Mahopa. The starting lineup was kanjani today.
No, it was very good. I think coach ubonile uthi already le game iphelile ngoba already soba sine 3 goals. So that's why ngicabanga ukuthi vele that is why oba introduce maybe amanye ama player. So which is good. So ngicabanga ukuthi vele obafandi afake iB yakhona. Obafandi iB afake B yonke.
Basically afake nepelepele edlala ku Vodacom League.
Afake nale MDC kahle abafandi afake MDC kahle. Afake MDC kahle ngoba soba siqedile game mngani wami.
Okay, so mfethu lana bedlala CAF Champions League le. We are almost kuma group stage, but we still have a second preliminary round. So mawubheke iPirate decisions ophelela kuphi?
Like as I said, we are going to final noma kanjani. Istar vele siyastata manje. Ungacheka vele siyaloada manje. So asakhulumi ngakuthi maybe siyodlala kanjani. Siya ku final manje. 9-9.
So your message to the coach mfethu, when the coach came here we saw ukuthi kuyaba nama results athi kungabi grand nyana, but he pull up the results and the sekaspana grand. So what would you say on behalf of ama fans of Orlando Pirates?
Yeah, ungacheka kunabanye abantu vele abalandeleli Pirates. Just singadliwa bona bathi coach wayihambe. So i-coach angeke ihambe. We are cruising so nicely. Obviously coach asangaqale ama game wakhe kahle, but so far so good. So
mawubhekile coach Abdeslam Watu, is he the coach ozosilethela i-second star?
iStar siyaloada nguye ozasifakela iStar. Angiboni ukuthi kunenkinga so far. I think so far we are cruising so well.
Bafethu, this is Stosh all the way from PSL Pulse. Bengiphethe uBenson ngayi bafethu. Bophani maphakaliya.